people have asked, what do we mean when we say Benefect is authentically botanical? Well, authentic is defined as not false or copied, genuine and real. Botanical means a substance that's obtained from a plant. Benefect was the world's first and is still the only authentically botanical disinfectant technology. It uses thyme and other essential oils to kill the germs, replacing the need for synthetic chemicals that are typically hazardous and unsustainable. Essential oils are powerful compounds that function as the immune system or the antibodies of plants. Many are traditionally grown at a variety of farms, some large, some small, and many family-owned, all over the world. Some families have been honing their expertise for more than 150 years. The plants are collected and the essential oils are immediately extracted from the plant material through a pure and simple steam distillation on site. This part of the process is not overly modern or highly mechanized, that's for sure, and it is more of an art form, similar to winemaking. The production output is actually amazing though. One distillation batch comes from just 2 acres of one small family farm and is contained in huge pressurized vats. One vat produces 25 pounds of essential oil, and this is enough to make 5,000 gallons of Benefect in just 8 hours. The essential oils are sampled and then collected to undergo secondary processing and blending at a state-of-the-art distillation facility to ensure specific component profiles and quality standards are met. Then the highly concentrated extracts are further blended and formulated into Benefect products at government-regulated facilities in the United States and Canada. So why is choosing authentically botanical products important? Well, Benefect users have displaced over 30 million pounds of synthetic chemicals from entering the ecosystem and from entering our bodies. And botanical ingredients do not contribute to antimicrobial resistance like synthetic chemicals do. While the world is battling antibiotic-resistant superbugs today, why would we take the risk in creating antimicrobial-resistant bacteria by using synthetic disinfectants? It just doesn't make any sense. But most importantly, botanicals have the best health and safety profile of any disinfectants in the world for the people using them. So why would you choose anything else?